Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 9th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Cal-Maine Foods, the largest producer and distributor of fresh shell eggs in the United States. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cal-Maine Foods has delivered an impressive performance this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cal-Maine Foods reported net sales of $954.7 million for the second quarter of fiscal 2025. That's a significant increase from the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The robust demand for shell eggs, particularly leading up to the Thanksgiving holiday, played a crucial role. Additionally, higher market prices due to restricted supply from avian influenza outbreaks contributed to this revenue surge. The company's strategic acquisitions also bolstered their production capacity, allowing them to meet increased demand.
And what about profitability? The net income for this quarter was $219.1 million, or 4.47 per diluted share, which is a substantial jump from last year's $17 million. How did they achieve this?
The increase in net income is primarily due to the higher net average selling price of shell eggs and the increase in total dozens sold. Additionally, the company managed to reduce farm production costs per dozen by 8.5%, thanks to favorable commodity pricing for key feed ingredients.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Cal-Maine Foods reported a decrease in farm production costs and feed costs. How significant are these reductions?
These reductions are quite significant. The 8.5% decrease in farm production costs and the 12.8% drop in feed costs per dozen are primarily due to more favorable commodity pricing. This has allowed Cal-Maine Foods to maintain strong margins despite the challenging supply environment.
Looking ahead, the company is making strategic investments to expand its operations. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Certainly. Cal-Maine Foods is investing approximately $60 million to expand its cage-free capacity, which includes new layer and pullet houses across several states. Additionally, they're investing $15 million to expand their egg products processing facility in Georgia. These projects are expected to significantly boost their production capacity and product offerings by late summer 2025.
Market dynamics and strategic growth. John, specialty egg sales saw a remarkable 25% growth this quarter. What factors are driving this trend?
The growth in specialty egg sales is driven by increased consumer demand for cage-free and specialty eggs. Cal-Maine Foods has capitalized on this trend by expanding its specialty egg offerings and leveraging its recent acquisitions to enhance production capacity.
How has the ongoing avian influenza outbreak affected Cal-Maine Foods, and what measures are they taking to mitigate these challenges?
The avian influenza outbreak has led to supply restrictions, which in turn have driven up market prices. Cal-Maine Foods has managed to navigate these challenges by implementing robust biosecurity measures and leveraging their scale to make strategic outside purchases to meet customer demand.
Lastly, the company announced a dividend of $1.49 per share. What does this indicate about their financial health?
The dividend reflects Cal-Maine Foods' strong financial performance and commitment to returning value to shareholders. Their variable dividend policy ensures that they distribute a portion of their quarterly income, highlighting their confidence in sustained profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Cal-Maine Foods has delivered a strong performance in the second quarter of fiscal 2025 with significant revenue and net income growth. Their strategic investments and operational efficiencies position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Cal-Maine Foods is well positioned for continued success, given their strategic focus on expanding production capacity and product offerings. Their strong balance sheet and financial flexibility provide a solid foundation for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Cal-Maine Foods' performance in the comments below.